Welcome! In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to safely and correctly assemble the Gardenflare fire tube. Important assembly note: use the appropriate tools, such as the included Allen key, to tighten the screws securely and firmly. Step 1. Attach the cover. Slide the cover over the combustion chamber. Use the Allen key to securely fasten the cover with 2 screws. Step 2. Assemble the stand feet. First, attach the Y connector to the combustion chamber using 2 screws. For a stable setup, there are a total of 4 stand feet, 2 pairs of identical feet. Now, screw the first 2 stand feet onto the connector that was previously attached to the combustion chamber. Each stand foot requires 2 screws. Next, fix the remaining 2 stand feet onto the round cover of the combustion chamber. Each of these stand feet also requires 2 screws. Step 3. Attach the glass tube holder. Secure the holder for the glass tube to the mounting bracket underneath the combustion chamber. Use 2 more screws and tighten them securely. Step 4. Insert the glass tube and ash drawer. Slide the ash drawer into the designated slot below the pellet shaft, then insert the glass tube. The fire tube is now fully assembled and ready for use. Thank you for your attention, and enjoy your Gardenflare fire tube.